Hi, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. This is going to be our third poetry lesson. The first one we covered how to write a limerick. Then you did your poetry appreciation questions. And there's a lot of really cool poems that you guys posted and delved into. We're going to look at a super simple form of poem called the haiku. And you've probably done this one in the past, so it'll be pretty familiar. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go through this Google slide here, tell you all about a haiku. Then I'm going to post the slides to the assignment so you can look at it. I'll also have an example poem on the slides as well. But let's delve right into haikus. This thing loads. All right, here we go. So what is a haiku? A haiku is an unrhymed three-line poem. It's based on a traditional Japanese poetic form, though there are different ways to write haiku. The traditional pattern in English is to write the first and last lines with 5 syllables each, and the middle line has 7 syllables. In other words, the pattern of syllables looks like this. First line, 5 syllables. Second line, 7 syllables. Third line, 5 syllables. So 5, 7, 5. And if you need a quick reminder of what a syllable is, look at the word summer. Summer is 2 syllables. Summer. Winter is 2. Winter. Word like hat is 1 syllable. Hat. A word like traditional is traditional. So it's a 4 syllable word right there. So most often haiku poems are about seasons or they're about nature, though you can write your own haiku about anything that you want. If you don't want to write about nature and would prefer to write a haiku about candy or sports, that is perfectly fine. One more thing to keep in mind is that the last line of a haiku usually makes an observation. So that is, the third line points out something about the subject that you're writing about. So, very simple example of a haiku here. You can see here the first line, winter is coming. That's 5 syllables. Winter is coming. 5 syllables. Second line, snow will be arriving soon. Snow will be arriving soon. 7 syllables. Third line, we should rake the leaves. We should rake the leaves. 5 syllables. You can see how the words down here are broken down into their specific syllables. Another example here, my homework is late. My dog ate it this morning. I sure like my dog. I've heard that one before. So, what you're going to do to create your own haiku poem, you can write about any subject that you want. I do suggest you write about something in nature or seasons. It tends to be the easiest subject to write about. I wrote a very basic haiku poem here. And I got the idea from seeing all the cherry blossoms out around our place. So this is what I would like you to do. I want you to write a haiku poem, include some sort of picture that's related to your poem. And you can see here, my poem is called Cherry Blossoms. And it goes, little hints of spring, warm the grayness of winter, soon to meet the earth. So I'm no expert poem writer, but that's a pretty good haiku poem. You're going to be creating 3 haiku poems. You can have them all on the same Google Doc. You would just scroll down. So let's say this is my first one. You'd scroll down, and your second haiku poem would be right on the second page there. It should be pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll try to help you as best as I can. If you ever need to, we can always meet or video chat, and I can help you with your haiku poems. But it should be pretty straightforward, and I hope you have fun with this.